Well, we're out there in South Australia again. We're down at Willow Springs. Just head out to the Skytrek office there and have a chat. But then we're going to leave this property. It's amazing geology, as you can see there on the aerial maps. And that's basically the route we're going to take for the day. Yeah, you can see from the next video we leave the Skytrek property out to the main road, and then we get up to the junction where we've got to turn left to head out towards Brookina Gorge. I'll just sit behind you for a little while. Get a little look out and check it out. Give us a little wave, mate. Perfect. Over here. This is where me and Rob camped a couple of years ago, and we got drowned out in our campsite. Rob was just here on the right. This was the camp right here. We got rain on. We got drowned here. We drowned in this place. So I actually camped here on the right, and Rob camped over where he's going now. That's how far apart we were. Yeah, so we leave our old campsite and we head out further in towards Brookina Gorge. Careful there, mate, you're burning the eyeballs with those amazing spotlights. Oh, and there's ruins. Do we want to look at the ruins? 6K, alright. Oh well, we better not go past here. We might as well go out about 6k's out to the ruins and check that out. And then we're back here to the main track and continue on our main emphasis, which is Brookina Gorge. Yeah, so we arrived at the Altana ruins, and quite a substantial set of buildings here. Spent quite a bit of time just looking around, poking around. Some stunning views of the range as well. Got some great photographs while we're here. Oh, yeah. Well, back out to the road again, turn right, and we're going to head out towards Brookina Gorge. So after a good time out at the ruins, we head towards Brookina Gorge. Now this is absolutely a stunning part of this trip. Well worth the effort to ride all the way up there. The geology is just mind-blowing. Absolutely spectacular. Wow, look at that. Nice colour in here. So this is basically a half-day ride to basically three-quarter-day ride. Include lunch at Wilpena Pound. You've got yourself a really nice day. Not too stressful, not too hard. Plenty of time, take photographs, and just enjoy all that scenery at a nice, relaxing pace. And, you know, three-quarters way through the ride, you get to do Razorback.
So with Brookina Gorge, we ride in, do a U-turn and come back out. So we see it twice from two different angles, which is, it's invaluable. And then we're going to take another route out down towards Wilpena Pound, where we're going to go and probably grab some lunch. There it is, guys, the famous Razorback. Awesome view. Well, that's all done and dusted. It's time to head back to Sky Trek at Willow Springs and enjoy the afternoon. What a fantastic ride. Brilliant scenery, great ride. Absolutely loved it, guys.
Yeah. If you want to come back in, it looks unreal. This will be the best footage of the whole trip. How good is that? Oh, awesome. Sure, Gindy? Go on. Go on, it looks awesome.
Well, if you're heading to the Flinders, this is most certainly the ride you must do. So make sure it's part of your itinerary whilst you're in the Flinders. Enjoy the videos, keep riding, and we'll keep riding and keep making videos.